Hi, I'm Monir Hossain. Recently, I joined the Skill Hunt video editing course, where I found that Skill Hunt is a unique place that arranges such program for students who can build up their skills. My opinion is Skill Hunt is a very good and competitive organization that provide students better quality to build their skills and efficiency for making them job market ready. Thank you, Skill Hands. Thank you, Imran Bhai. Without you train us, we can make this effort. Thank you, Altaf Bhai. Without you, we even think that kind of courses are available only for namely cause. And thanks for your hard work. I wish Skill Hunt makes success all the way it wants. And thank you, Skill Hunt. Thank you, Altaf Bhai, once again. Thank you.